My name is Elmo, and we're here with my friend, SP,
it's just gonna be Spider.
SPDR. Go to his TikTok and YouTube, and you should subscribe and follow. This isn't my real voice. This is a voice changer, by the way, guys.
Yeah, I got voice changer.
Elmo's
Guys, he isn't using a voice changer. He's lying. This is real voice. He's 3 years of age.
I'm not 3 years old. This is just a voice changer, guys.
He's a minor.
He's lying. I am a minor, though, technically. Kinda.
Elmo VR likes kids.
Tickle. Anyways, if you wanna go to my YouTube channel, it's on Elmo VR. Obviously. And then my TikTok is CHRISSY. I have like 45 followers on TikTok and like 1 subscriber.
Yeah, bro, quick tip. Don't always promote your YouTube channel and your videos. Do that in the beginning or the end. Usually the end.
And then...
You don't have an outro.
If you want to do that, that would be greatly appreciated. Anyways, we're doing Monkey Up. Oh. Emma's right here. The other one's easy, but this one's a little bit harder because everything is like slanted, guys. So we're gonna see how high we can go before falling. I'm doing a voice reveal at 5 subscribers. Emma's around, la 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 la, la 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 la. Emma's around. Oh no, I almost fell. Oh. I keep falling. Bro, how? It's cause this stupid leaf is in the way.
Alright guys, since I'm like actually the best at this, I completed it.
Well, we're gonna try and go over here since we're on here. Yeah, guys, we're doing a voice reveal at 5 subscribers. I'm at tutorial.
Bruh, why'd you do that?
I fell on accident. I'm done. I fell through the map. What the Elmo? I'm gonna go to Only Up. Wait.
This is Only Up, bro.
No, this is Monkey Up. We flash. Option, we flash. Why isn't it letting me? Option. It's not letting me restart. Bro, can you do this? It's not letting me change the freaking map. Do Only Up.
That, bro. I mean, it's not as good as the other one, but like, since you know you're not that good at the game, it'll be fine for you.
I am. It's just that I don't like Monkey Up. Monkey Up is weird.
Also, guys, today I'm doing it on the escalation easy mode. This Elmo VR. I'll put a link to his channel right here, and a link to his TikTok right here. So, if you enjoy my videos, make sure to like and subscribe to Elmo VR because he's very so good.
I will be going live in about... Guys, I will be going live... When I go live, I will be going live for a couple hours, maybe like 1 or 2.
Yeah, guys, if you get my YouTube to 100 subscribers, I will go live on YouTube.
My thing is kind of lagging because I'm recording a video. But that is okay. You know what? Alright guys, as soon as I get to the stage 2, we're ending the video. Cause then I'm gonna crash out. If I fall, I'm done. If I fall, the video ends. How about that, guys? If I fall, the video ends. Guys, always watch Brain Rot as soon as you wake up. It's good for you.
Yeah, watch Skibbity Toilet when you wake up, guys.
Skip the toilet in Sigma. As soon as I fall, the video ends.
Oh, this guy's I'm built different. Built different.
And I quit. And the video's done. I'm lagging.
I'm actually built different. I have